Hit it. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful and amazing day. Welcome back, kings and queens, ladies and gentlemen. Thank y'all so much for joining me. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I'm going to be your host for today's Crafty Vision segment. If I am not loud, because lately I've been getting comments that when people are watching my videos, my sound isn't loud. I'm speaking as loud as I want to speak. It's actually 3 a.m. here this morning with me recording this. So just make sure you turn your volume up on your phone. Not trying to be smart with my volume, but I'm here in the house. It's 3 in the morning and I can only speak but so loud, okay? Could y'all please make sure you thumbs up this video, like and share it out to your communities. For those who are looking for ideas, I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. So let's go ahead and get right on into this video, and please make sure that you do not fast forward through the video, because you want to make sure you get everything you need to do to achieve the look that I'm going to show you today. So here are the items that we're going to be using. So I'm going to be using some 20 gauge tarnish resistant wire, and of course y'all know. Let me just show y'all really quick what type of wire it is, or who makes it. It's this right here, and I get this from Michael's and Hobby Lobby. Go to Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby has it for like $6, and you may get it for $5 something. Okay, so but this is what I'm using. So you're going to need a piece of this. You're also going to need some small seed beads. I'm using some 3mm seed beads. Okay, so you're going to need some seed beads. You're also going to need some pearls. All right, but the size of the pearls is, this is what I bought. I was in Walmart a few weeks ago. I ran across this kit, y'all, and I grabbed it. And this is what we're going to be making the earrings. We're going to be using size 4 and size 6 of these in this kit. Okay, so you will need some small beads in order to achieve this here look. So what I'm going to do basically is just cut me a piece of wire. All right, and from the looks of this wire that I am cutting, it is about, you're not going to need any fish hooks. It's longer. It's about maybe, it's about 13, 14 inches. You're not going to need that much. 12 inches would be sufficient. So we're going to be making, of course, y'all already know, your own attachable fish hooks, okay? And I'm going to start off by putting on one of my 3mm beads. And I always start off by showing y'all pretty much the pattern on how these beads are going to be, these earrings are going to be made. And then I'm going to go to my 4mm, and I'm going to add on one of these. And then I'm going to add on another small bead. Wait a minute. The holes be so small, y'all, okay? And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add on one 4mm, and then add on a 6mm, and come back and add on another 4mm. So that's the 4mm, the 6mm, and then another 4mm, and then I'm going to add on another gold bead. Okay, and this is pretty much how this earring is going to be done from here on out. So I'm going to go back to the 4mm. I'm going to add a 6mm and then a another 4mm, and then another gold bead. Okay, so let me show you how. So this is how this earring is going to be. So you're going to do 4mm, then you're going to do gold, 4mm gold, then you're going to go here and do 4, 6, 4 gold, 4, 6, 4 gold, and so forth and so on. And you're going to and then I'm at the, once I come back, I'm going to go ahead and speed the video up, but once I come back, I'm going to tell you the amount that you're going to need of each bead. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to pretty much tell you how many sets of those threes that you're going to need. Okay, so if you can remember, at the top I started with one single bead, one gold bead, then one single bead, another gold bead, and then I did a set of 3. You're going to need 15. So let's just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, and when you put, once you get to your the 15 set of 3, then you're going to put another gold bead, another 4mm bead, and then another gold bead. Okay, and what we're going to do next is we're going to, so what you're going to do is you're going to wrap that piece around this first piece. Okay, and then you're going to come and just start wrapping that around. Okay, when you first start doing this type of technique, it may give you a little run for your money, meaning that you probably going to have to do it over and over again, but you have to practice. Once you keep practicing, you'll get it. And then all you want to do now, see that, is just continue to wrap it around as many times as you see fit. All right, just like this. And we're going to wrap it. And this is how we're going to be adding in our fish hook for the earring. All right, now I need to just check to make sure that they are the right size. Okay, so that is that. I'm going to bring it around one more time, and I'm going to snip that part, this wire here, off. And don't forget, like I said, be careful because sometimes you may snip your whole piece of wire. And if you do that, then that means you got to start your project all over again. And nobody wants to do that, right? And then you're just going to take your pliers, your flat nose pliers, and you're going to go and just squeeze it. Okay, you're going to squeeze it all the way around. Because what you're doing when you're squeezing it is you're tightening it, making it nice and tight so that it will not and cannot come apart. Okay, and this is basically what you're going to have. And then you're going to just take and pinch your wire forward. Okay, so pinch it forward. All right, this is going to be the back of your earring where you cut your wire. This is going to be the front. And you're going to pinch it forward just like that. And y'all, I forgot to mention that you will need a dowel. Okay, you're going to go get your dowel. And you're going to bring it over just like that. You're just going to form it to the dowel to make your fish hook. All right, that's what you're going to have. And then you're just going to come and you're going to need a piece of sandpaper. And you're going to just snip that till about right there. All right. You can make your nose as long or as short as you want it to be. And then you're going to take your sandpaper and just sand this down so that it won't stick your ear or hurt your ear when you put them in to wear them, okay? Just like that. And I always do this to know whether or not if it still needs to be sand down even more. There you go. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take my round nose pliers and just come and do just like that. And that is your fish hook. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to pull. Okay, y'all, so basically what you're going to do is you're going to just pull this like this. You may hear like a little pop in your earring, but you're going to pull it to make it straight. And I have another one right here because what I want to do is I want these two to be the same. Okay, I want them to be the same shapes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to mold them together, or mold them at the same time. Okay, so you want to take your fingers and pinch this up like this. So I'm going to do this on both of my earrings. Try to do it on the opposite side because I always work with my left hand, okay? So you got your little pinch going on, or it's folded and it's up. I'm going to also come and just twist it just like this. All right, just like a little twist. Both of them. All right. Now I'm going to just start working with it to get it to my desired look of what I want it to be. All right. Okay, it's getting close to what I want it to be. You gotta really play with the wire and the reason why I say you have to do this with both of them is because you want to try to have the design to be exactly the same. So that's why I say you have to really just play with it and keep playing with it until you get it to where you want it to be as far as your design. It doesn't have to be perfect because neither one of these have to be the same design. You can switch it up if you want to. You can make one way and one another way. It depends on what you choose and what you want it to be. But you do have to play with it to get it to how you want it to be. So, yeah. So this is pretty much it. This is what I want. And, yeah, so I'm going to try these on. And, so y'all can see what they look like on. So, here we go, y'all. Okay, y'all, so what do y'all think? Did we do good? Okay. The thing that I do love about these earrings is that, for one, they are very, very lightweight. They are stylish. And you can dress them up or down on any occasion. I'm going to take them out so y'all can actually see. This is the end result. Okay. And like I said, always, whenever you wear these earrings, you open that part up. Okay. You slide it down in your ear loop. And then you push it to close it, so it stays down in your ear, okay? All right, and they're super lightweight, really stylish, really easy to wear. Thumbs up. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for joining me. I greatly appreciate your support. And until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.